Hello. In our previous episodes, we've already touched upon the construction of modular homes and their costs. However, these subjects were only presented to a limited extent. My name is Michał Kruszczyl, and today I'll show you the entire process of creating modular homes from scratch. If you want to stay up to date with our new episodes, please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We are also on Facebook and Instagram. Join us. Link in the description. As you can clearly see in here, we are currently located inside our main production hall, where the entire process of constructing a modular home officially commences. Within our state-of-the-art factory, we meticulously construct homes completely from the ground up. However, this comprehensive manufacturing process is carefully divided into several distinct stages. One of these is preparing prefabricated components from which modules are formed. We connect the modules together to create a complete unit. And since we're on the topic of prefabricates, I wanted to mention that all our products are made from certified C2 finfowus, for timber that meets building standards. Now we're going to move on to the next stage, where I'll show you the finished modules created from the previously prepared prefabricated elements. We're at the next phase of our modular home construction, and as I mentioned, each modular home can be made of a different number of modules. That depends on the project you choose, the Dakazim. Behind me you can see a mezzanine house. Here we have the mezzanine's lower and upper sections. These components are manufactured in our production facility located here in Zielonka, near Warsaw, and from there they are transported directly to the investor's designated site. We build regardless of the time of day or night or prevailing weather conditions, which provides us with a significant advantage over traditional construction methods. Standard assembly on the investor's plot typically takes just 1 day. This duration may vary slightly depending on the specific finishing details of the house. Before we start production, the first and most important thing is choosing a cabin in our configurator. You will find this configurator on our website. The link is below in the video description. Once on the main page, go to the configurator and choose the cabin that interests you, so everyone will find something for themselves, depending on whether you're interested in a raw shell state or a complete turnkey finish. Once you have successfully navigated the entire process of project creation and its subsequent approval, the project then moves into full production, and the actual construction of your new home commences. As I previously mentioned, when it comes to our prefabricated elements, every single component is meticulously crafted from certified C24 timber, which provides an absolute guarantee of exceptional durability for many, many years. Every element of the frame is manufactured on a specialized table and prepared in a way that ensures maximum structural strength. After assembling the ready modules from prefabricated components, we proceed with the reinforcement and finishing, installation of the electrical system, installation of the plumbing system, wall insulation, wall enclosure, and depending on your specific preferences and what you ultimately choose in the configurator, we will carry that out here. A common link between traditional and modular construction for us is the construction log, where every production stage of building a modular home is thoroughly verified and documented. So what projects can you realize with us? The choice is wide. You can find it on our website in the configurators. If you want to see our houses live, we invite you daily to Zielonka near Warsaw onto our open days organized throughout Poland. Follow our events on Facebook and Instagram to discover when our next open day will be organized. We warmly invite you to join us. As you were able to observe in this video, the construction process of a modular home doesn't significantly differ from that of a traditional house. However, thanks to our innovative solutions, it is exceptionally fast. A 35 square meter house is built in 6 days. However, a house with a mezzanine and an upper floor, we can complete in under 11 days. Modular homes are increasingly becoming an alternative to traditional construction and apartments. This is a very convenient solution and is quick to implement. In the modular homes that we provide, you are able to customize the solutions to perfectly fit your own specific needs. Among other things, you can freely change the window layout. You can choose the type of facade. This could be a wooden facade, or it could be a standing seam metal facade. We still have many different possibilities, which you can discover in the configurator on our website. In our next video, we will demonstrate how the configurator functions and how to effectively use it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, enable notifications, and always stay up to date.